Hi, I'm Evie and today I'll show you how to make this elegant dog bandana with an elastic back, perfect for quick and easy fitting, even for dogs that don't like to sit still. This cute pattern comes in 5 sizes and is on the larger side, so it will cover the collar nicely and can be worn on the top of it. I didn't want it to squeeze the dog's neck, so it's roomy. Please choose and print the size you need. Only the largest sizes need to be joined in the middle. The first page explains how to read the pattern, and don't forget to check the little square in the corner for size accuracy. I chose size medium and pure cotton fabrics. This is what the pieces look like: main fabric, lining, and the elastic cover. You can use the elastic in any width you like. I prefer the thicker one, anywhere from 2, 5, maybe 7 centimeters, and between half to 1.5 inch. Now please iron all pieces well. Clip the main and lining pieces together like this. Sew along the edges here and here. Use a straight stitch to sew. Trim the corner to reduce the bulk. Next, sew the elastic cover. Turn the elastic cover right side out using a chopstick or something similar. Slide the elastic into the cover. Sew one side securely. Trim any of excess fabric and threads. Leave the other end for now. Now turn the main bandana piece right side out with the chopstick. This next step is super important. I designed those bandanas to sit lower on the neck for extra comfort, even with the elastic, so they slip on easily. Clip the main bandana piece with the elastic cover together, like this. Add about 5 to 7 centimeters, which is 2 to 3 inches, to your dog's neck measurement to find the perfect fit. I'm working with my little dragon here, so my measurements are 60 centimeters plus 5, making it 65 in total. If you prefer a higher fit, choose a smaller size that the description suggests. Now securely sew the other side of the elastic. Fold the end of the bandana like this and slide the end of the elastic inside, stretching the fabric. Then clip it in place. Repeat on the other side. Sew both ends securely few times. Cut any loose threads and give it a gentle iron. top stitch along those edges, here and here. And you're done. You just created another super sweet fashion statement for your furry friend. Those bandanas are cute and comfy at the same time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more fun and easy sewing projects. Happy sewing and see you next time!